Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the Kicker Comp RT Series 6.75 inch subwoofer, or the KI48CWRT67. The 48CWRT67 is designed for maximum performance in minimal space. Ideal for under the seat or behind bench installations, this ultra-thin subwoofer delivers deep, consistent bass with a slick, blacked-out cone. The advanced suspension and heat management system along with forced air cooling keep the sub running cooler and more efficiently. The Santoprene surround and polypropylene woofer cone are bonded with the red double stitching, while SoloKon technology reduces distortion and enhances cooling. Let's talk a little bit about the key specifications this thing has. So this subwoofer has a peak power handling of 300 watts. The mounting depth is 2.75 inches and its sensitivity falls under 82.6 decibels. The recommended amplifier power for this is at least 150 watts RMS. Now to talk a little bit about its price. This subwoofer falls under $95.96, and if you're interested, you can purchase it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/kicker. And as always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and make sure to follow our Facebook for constant updates. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what you want to see unboxed. Thanks for watching.